Hey everybody, Sam back with another no-nonsense review. Sound course of over 10 years, and review of the Sonys, of which there's 2 iterations that I've got at the moment. Yeah, they're just the D20 ones, or that range, that basic range of wireless receivers, and they are pretty good. They are, I mean, for the price, you just don't need anything else unless you're moving on to some serious high level jobs. So I've been doing commercials and documentaries for a long time now, and there's only a few clients that I have that I wished I had better wireless devices, but the jump from Sony's being 650 quid for a set with a microphone to you're looking at £5,000 for the next jump up, and there's just nothing, there's no gap in between, and the old versions of stuff are just not cutting it because they don't sync. There's no point getting them. They don't have the self-recording, they don't have many features that would make it worth doing that jump. So it's a huge investment, and you can kind of just pack, you can, as you're earning more money, you can just buy another pack, and Sony are pretty good with their warranty as well. Like when one broke, I just got another one straight back because it broke within a year. Now that's not good on Sony's part, I know that, but the guy, to be fair to him, did sit on it during lunch. But you see what I'm saying. They are more than decent enough in terms of sound. Is no different. I mean, yes, they have this like clicky thing when they go out of range, which is these I forget what it's called, but basically on high-end ranges of wireless devices, when they go out of range, they just sort of like go like crackly in a way, whereas these click. That's a little bit annoying, but if they're going that far away, then something is amiss, right? They cover a wide frequency range, not as wide as something that's £5,000, but they cover, in the UK, certainly in Europe, they cover all of the ones you're going to need. More diverse than the Sennheisers, more than anything else. The reason why I went Sony against why everyone was going Sennheiser and stuff is because I went abroad on a trip, and the Sennheiser's damaged, cracked, and these Sonys are built like tanks. So if you're in this game for a long time, you don't want to be. That's why Sennheisers, I just don't even bother with them. The other thing is same price. They're dual antenna, which means they have a more stable frequency. Now I'm aware you can hot rod the Sennheisers, but honestly that's not worth it either. Trust me on that one. People I know in the industry have done it, and I've asked them about it, and they say they shouldn't have bothered. So yeah, literally as a starting point, well, actually I'm 10 years in. Sony's more than good enough, but I am now at that stage where I keep wishing I had it. But I'm working for Ferrari, ITV, things like that, and I just wish I had that clarity when they ask to do live stuff. But I don't want to make a 10 grand investment because I would need so many sets of them to make it worth it. So, no nonsense. Those Sonys, no matter what iteration, even the vintage ones, I'm talking like 20-year-old ones that I've got them as backup, and they're worth, well, you can pick them up for next to nothing, but they still work. They're still on the same bands. All that's different really is it's just not quite as easy to push in a frequency. Cool.